Hello YouTubers, welcome back one day more to my classes online Cooking with David. The classes online of cooking when I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious, simple dishes step by step, not complicated. And as well, we're gonna eat healthy and be in a good shape, to be in a good healthy shape. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos of me cooking, please subscribe to my food channel, Cooking with David. And now, put your apron on, because we are going to cook. Okay, YouTubers, today we have a full table of products or ingredients, because today we're going to prepare a delicious and traditional Pacific Cod with capers and tomato sauce. To prepare our delicious meat, we're gonna need the cod. So I have 4 fillets, boneless cod, Pacific cod. We're gonna need the baby potatoes, but you can use any potatoes you want it. Red potato, the big potato, regular potato, Canadian potato, wherever you want it is perfect. But I'm gonna use this one because it looks more beauty at the end result when I finish my dishes. You will see it. Shallots, but you can use onions. We're gonna need the red pepper paste, flour, capers, chives, garlic cloves, black pepper, salt. We're gonna need a cup of whiskey, a smoked whiskey. I use the smoked whiskey because it's gonna give you a special flavor, but you can use a white wine. You can use the cognac, brandy, whatever you want it. 1 cup. We're gonna use half a liter of the tomato sauce. I put in a little bit of sugar on it to take the acidity of it. And olive oil, okay? So let's go and start. To make our delicious Pacific Cod with tomato and capers, we're gonna put a pan or casserole a little bit high and lower heat, okay? We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. And meanwhile, it's eating, we're gonna cut the shallots. We're gonna chop in juliana, which is very small pieces, okay? So we're gonna peel the shallots. And we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna cut it like this with the 3 shallots. One is cut. We're gonna add in our oil, which is already the perfect temperature. And this is when we start going to move. I'm gonna put in a little bit lower, the heat. We're gonna fry it for 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna add some salt here because I wanna make the shallot sweat and spread the water that the shallot has. And the salt is make this process work. We continue moving, gentle. We're gonna let to cooking, continue. And now we're gonna chop the cloves, the garlic cloves. I like garlic. This is one of my favorite ingredients. So I'm gonna put in 5 cloves of garlic for the recipe. And we're gonna cut it in thin slices. Okay, thin slices. Okay, he hasn't to be uniform, doesn't matter. And we are gonna add to the chalo which is cooking. And we are gonna remove this gentle, mixing everything. And this is gonna take like 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you can see the caramelized color that the chalos has. That is the moment when we are gonna add the capers to the recipe, all the capers. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of capers, and I'm gonna add all of it. This is gonna be a special flavor to the recipe. I love when the capers are cooking, how they smell. So delicious. And we're gonna keep cooking this mix of the garlic, shallots, and capers for another 3 minutes, medium heat. Okay, the mix is been cooking total for 6 minutes. 3 more minutes the capers with the rest of the ingredients. That is the moment when I am going to add the flour as well. It's like 1.5 tablespoon, and I'm gonna add it. That is gonna be consistency to the sauce and make thick. We add the flour and we mix. I add the flour and it's mixed with all the ingredients. I'm gonna add the smoked whiskey here, and I'm gonna take to flame. So be careful in this point. So because you can burn yourself. So we're gonna keep this going until the fire is gone, because that means the alcohol has been evaporated, and that's what we wanted. We're gonna move all the mix together. When the flames are gone, that means that the flavor of the smoke flavor keeps in the sauce, and the alcohol has been evaporated. Okay? So I'm gonna show you the texture, the amazing texture that this has when the alcohol is evaporating. Perfect, perfect. The alcohol has been evaporated. You can see the texture of the ingredients. It's like a creamy texture, delicious. That is the moment when we are gonna add the red pepper paste, all of them. And our ½ liter of tomato. We're gonna mix everything together, okay? Everything. Oh, looks delicious. I'm gonna put it a little bit high, the heater, and we're gonna cook this meat for about 5 minutes. Okay, here you are. Our mix with tomato, pepper, capers, shallots. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes, high heater. So that is the moment where we are gonna add the water or broth. You can use the fish broth, lobster broth, whatever broth you want it. But in my case, I'm gonna use water because we have a lot of flavor on it. So the jar, when I have the tomato, I put water on it because I'm gonna use the tomato leftover. This is 750 milligrams, almost 1 liter. I'm gonna add 1 liter and a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna lower the heater minimum, and this is gonna be reducing the broth for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes here, low heat. Now, meanwhile, we're gonna work with the potatoes. So we're gonna cut the potatoes. So I use the small potato, I said at the beginning, because I wanna make like beautiful shape. So I'm gonna cut on the top, and straight I'm gonna cut all over from the top to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna show you a sample, one potato. One is all the skin, take it up. I'm gonna cut and a half. And I'm gonna do with all the potatoes that I have here. Okay, let's go to work. Okay, YouTubers, 30 minutes almost gone. And this is the texture that our tomato sauce has. You can see how thick it is. It's perfect. So that's the moment when we are gonna add the potatoes that I already cut. Okay, we're gonna add all of them to the mix. We're gonna move. And we're gonna keep this one another roughly 15-20 minutes. So we're gonna stick the potatoes until tenderness. So, but it takes like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will come back and I show you the potatoes ready. So we're gonna add the cod and correct with salt and black pepper, because I didn't put salt and black pepper for now. I always do at the end. So just only the ingredients. So we're gonna keep the warming the potatoes when the tomato sauce, and I'll see you in roughly 20 minutes. Okay, look at YouTubers. The potato with the tomato sauce. Now is the moment to stick the potato. If it's easy to come, easy to get out, that means there is tenderness, it is ready. It's ready, okay? So at this point, we're gonna put our Pacific Cod on the top. But before, I'm gonna correct with salt. I'm gonna put some salt as you like. And black pepper. We're gonna remove and continue cooking. That looks so delicious. Creamy, tomato, rich flavor. I'm gonna try it. A little bit more salt. Just a little bit. It's so delicious. We're gonna remove everything. And at that moment, we're gonna put the cup on top and cover with the tomato. 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces. We're gonna soak and cover with tomato. So, and the cod meat is very tender. So we don't need it to cook the cod. So I'm gonna turn it up the heater and I'm gonna cover with the lid. And this is enough time for cod to be cooking and it's gonna be tender. So, and we are finished our Pacific Cod with tomato sauce and potatoes, okay? Okay, YouTubers, here it is. Our Pacific Cod with tomato sauce and potato. Look at how beautiful it is. So now, we're gonna garnish with fried chives. Delicious. So, okay, this is my recipe of the day. If you want to see more videos of me cooking, please follow my channel, subscribe, give me a like if you like this beautiful recipe, and follow me for more videos. Bye.